Hello guys, today's video is IELTS speaking full mock practice 4. And if you want to achieve 6.5 plus band in your speaking, then this video is for you. What's your full name?
My name's Sukhvinder.
Okay, let's talk about birthdays. Do you enjoy your birthdays?
I love to enjoy any kind of birthday parties that I come across. Especially, I would love to celebrate my birthday and would love to call my near and dear ones to have a big get together.
What did you do on your last birthday?
I vividly remember it was 2020 birthday. I celebrated in a very huge and a grand way, and I had thrown a five-star party in JW Marriott where I invited almost 10 friends of mine, and we had a beautiful buffet party over there.
Do most people celebrate their birthdays with a party in your country?
Majority of the Indian population are not much into the party minds because majority of them are middle class people, so they often save their money by not spending much on the parties. But yes, I would say that certain at certain period of times they simply try to bring certain things in the home. For example, they bring the birthday cakes and simply cut it at home, or maybe they could also go for a dinner parties, but not at a grand level.
Can you remember a birthday you enjoyed as a child?
I have to say that since my childhood, my parents were so much into celebrations of birthdays or anniversaries. So every birthday of mine was extremely special, as every year my parents used to bring different kind of. When I was a minor, they used to throw parties in a different style. Be it they called my all the near dear friends, and we used to celebrate in those times. But as I get got matured, so the type of celebrations got changed. But yes, my birthday celebrations has always been the best part in my lives.
Okay, let's talk about bicycles. How popular are bicycles in your hometown?
I have to say that due to the COVID situations, if we talk about since 2020, the trend of bicycling has come in this particular period. Before that period, nobody was into cycling in those times. But if we talk about the main agenda behind the cycling is definitely the fitness perspective that we have to consider, as it increases the metabolism and other uh, the way our body function does is definitely increased by doing cycling.
How often do you ride a bicycle?
As I belong to a small and a compact city, everything, may it be a market or hospital or the near dear, wherever we want to go, it's an easy access to go by a bicycle. So bicycling is quite popular in my hometown because one feels it to be a handy and to go on to the things, to bring things in a short span of time.
Do you think that bicycles are suitable for all ages?
Bicycles indeed are quite important for every kind of age groups because it basically increases the body functions in a way, and everybody, it is so accessible that we could go on a bicycle to get everything on an easy basis.
What are the advantages of a bicycle compared to a car?
The merits of using bicycles is indeed used as a fitness point of view. If we in a daily mundane, if we ride a bicycle, I think our metabolism and the muscle strength mass gets increased up. And other than that, we are quite away from certain chronic diseases if we uh, keep on using bicycles other than rather than other transports.
That is the end of part 1. Part 2, cue card. Describe a person who has done a lot of work to help people. You should say who this person is, where this person lives, what he or she has done to help people, and explain how you know about this person. You have 1 minute to prepare, then you have to speak for 2 minutes.
Works are very important for any individual to do in their normal lives, and it is also divided into a broader sense that it is basically done by either a political person or any kind of person for the betterment or betterment and the welfare of the society. So I would love to mention about a person who has done a lot for the society, who has almost changed with his rule. During his rule, the time period he came into his existence in the society, I think the perspective of each and every individual gets changed with his rule. So the person is Arvind Kejriwal, who is currently a chief minister of New Delhi. And the person is such an influential personality who is not just up to the leadership but also helping towards the normal citizens who has come up with the daily problems and the daily activities that a person's needed to have in those times, and still trying to achieve and get the betterment and the welfare results of the citizens. So this person is, if we kind of draw little attention towards his history, he is such an educated person who has done his master's degree from Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. He being such an influential person who not only thrown uh, his life towards his normal job and earned a lot of money, but who came forward for the welfare of the people and served such a big union territory in New Delhi, and is serving him since last 2 years. So I am extremely influenced of his personality, because he being the such a person who has done not only on the one aspect but has almost covered more than plethora aspects, be it related to the person's health or the schooling purposes or any kind of rules and regulations that are being maintained over there. So I think such influential personalities could only do with the help of his own mindset.
Okay, thank you. That is the end of part 2. Part 3, abstract talk, in which I will ask you some follow-up questions. So my first question, what are some of the ways people can help others in the community?
There are certain ways with the help of which people can help each other in this living surroundings. Uh, it is simply the people can simply come up with helping each other by listening to their problems, or people could come up with a sort of volunteer work where they, instead of uh, thinking about earning much money, or I think this particular volunteer act can raise up the personality, the shape up the personality of a person, and with the help of this, their experience gets boosted up. And this is also well exemplified by the recent surveyors, in which they claimed that volunteer works are indeed very important, and majority of the population of Indian community, where people have served certain things to accomplish things.
Okay. Why do you think people like to help other people?
Individuals, they always try. It also depends on certain individuals mindset, because if a person has this kind of feeling in helping others, only those persons could accomplish such things. Otherwise, there are certain persons who don't bother whatever is going on, whether it are good or bad, it doesn't matter to them. But yes, in certain cases there are certain people who always think for the better humanity, and who would always want to always want for the welfare of the society, so they keep on doing such works that can help and raise the issues of the society.
What types of services are available to the people who live in your area?
There are certain aspects that we can count in the current surroundings that I live in. There are so many clubs have come up with the volunteer persons, in which there are a lot of people working for the on the issues of, such as they are working in order to provide some kind of employment and food services to the persons who live below poverty line. And other than that, there are certain services with the help of which certain persons who are not affordable towards their children's education, they are serving certain kind of things in order to help them, their children, to get education at a good levels.
Okay, my last question. Which groups of people generally need most support in a community?
I think that just depends on every kind of age groups, because every age group has a certain kind of demands in those particular times. If we talk about adolescent age, their mentors and the family guardians, they help their children to get motivated to do whatever they want to do in their lives. And if we talk about certain age groups who are like above 20 to 25, maybe 30 years of age, they, in that particular age, they get little matured of their own brains, that they could think what is right and wrong for them, so they move according to their brains. But yes, at certain point, certain people need certain kind of support from the other persons, where they can seek certain things to accomplish in a better and a righter way.
Okay, thank you. That is the end of your speaking test. Guys, do subscribe my channel Oils Jonty.